Hello mi gente bella and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to do a first impression and a demo featuring the new improved Morphe Supreme Brow 5-piece artist brow kits. And by the way, it is a not sponsored video. I bought this with my own precious money. If you guys want to see what I think of this new brow kit, then keep on watching. The shade that I got is a Java. It's highly popular. I remember when I used to work there, it was like the #1 brow product, literally, that sells like hotcakes. When I saw that they revamped this brow kit, I was like, I need to get it. So this came out at the end of July. The previous kit was called the Arch Obsession brow kit. On the other one, you had the clear brow gel, the dual-ended spoolie and angle brush, and then you had a highlighter stick. It was amazing for the brow bone, just to kind of give you the extra lift. The pomade and the micro brow pencils. If you still love that brow kit, I did check on the website today and they only had a one shade and it's a little under $8. So if you wanted to check out your nearest Morphe store, you're more than welcome to do so. It retails for $25. It's a value set for $38. You still have 5 products in here. You will get the micro brow pencil and it has a spoolie on the other end, the pomade, which is still the same. Now the 3 new items that I decided to incorporate on this kit is a dual-ended spoolie and a brush. Then you have the brow powder. Also you have the sculpting brow wax. By the way, all these products you can get them separately if you don't want to get the kits. The old one had way more shades than this one. This one has the Scotty, Latte, Mocha, Cold Brew, and Java. So Java is definitely going to be the darkest, deepest shade. The old version, the darkest shade was Chocolate Moon. I'm hoping that maybe in the future they will expand their shades when it comes to the brow kit. We will see. If you have sparse eyebrows, let me know down below because the struggle is real, but that's okay. This is why we have brow products. It says to use the spoolie first, grab a little bit of the product, pick up the brow wax with the spoolie. The tip for this is for you to grab the cap and just kind of go back and forth just in case if you have excess product so it doesn't look too gunky, and really make sure it's saturated. So I'm just going like downwards. Oh wow, I already feel it. Holy shoot, I was not ready for this. And especially here, the beginning of my eyebrows is the most like spicy and feisty for me. Holy moly. The next step is gonna be to use the end of this brush, flatten them like so. This is my before and this is my after. So let's go ahead and try the other side. We're just going to coat this. I'm literally doing little circular motions, especially in here. What I'm noticing right now is that the wax is above. So I'm just gonna clean up the top and I'm gonna have to touch up all my foundation again. This is what happens when you do your foundation first before your eyebrows. This is why I always do my eyebrows first and then I do my foundation. But to each their own. There's no right or wrong. That's just my personal preference. I don't know why I feel like it keeps coming down. Maybe it's just in my head. I don't know. It didn't say to do this, but I'm gonna be that person. Now you guys see that I sketched my eyebrows and I'm just gonna fill it in first on this side with the pomade. So far, I love the pomade. I never had any problems whatsoever with the pomade or the brow pencil. For this, I'm actually gonna use the powder and see how that works. So this one is all done and beautiful. I'm looking at my mirror and so far I love it. The brows are overall put, however I wanted them to be like laminated, and when I mean laminated, I don't want them to kind of like start peeking throughout. Like I want them to be on the surface, like I want them flat. And I'm already seeing a few of them that are kind of like saying, no, I don't want to be laminated, I want to come out. But that's okay. I'm still gonna continue with the brow product and I'm gonna start filling and mimicking brow hairs. Whatever's left, just a little bit more coverage in there with the brow powder. This is fully done. Are they sisters?
Listen, I tried.
Every day is a struggle with me when it comes to eyebrows. I like to seriously keep it real because I have my days and my eyebrows are like, what we're thinking. I'm just gonna quickly touch up the top and the bottom just because I did remove my foundation. So I'll be right back. But in the meantime, let me know guys what you think so far of the products, because so far I am happy. The question is it gonna stay this long? It's 6:03 right now, and I'm gonna keep this makeup for as long as I can just to see if the brows are really gonna stay. So we're gonna finish this. Hold on a second. It is right now 12:10 a.m. so it's been about 6 hours. So I'm just gonna grab my mirror and just check out what these brows are looking like right now. I'm sure I'm looking a little shiny. The brow wax made sure that my brows stay put. They did not come down, because that was one of my biggest concerns when it came to this product, and it did the job. If you guys like this or have tried something similar to this product, or maybe the same one, let me know down below, because this just came out. I'm definitely gonna see myself repurchasing some of these products and maybe giving my Got2b a little break. But I mean, I still love my Got2b. I'm just saying, because you get a whole lot of products for I don't know how much money it is, and this is $8, and you get, and I wrote it down here, 6.2 grams or 0.21 ounces for $8. So it's like, you be the judge. I'm willing to spend $8 on this just because I don't have to worry about the white cast. I feel like I haven't done a first impressions in such a long time. I'm willing to do other first impressions because this was actually a little fun. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for showing me so much love on the YouTube community, because I'll be posting. I'm trying to post a little bit more often there, and things that I probably don't talk about here, that are things that I like, that I enjoy, you know, all that good stuff. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know the next time I'll be uploading next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next time, I'll see you on my next video. Mwah. Besitos. Bye.